Which?
Because she has to get on that.
She has to be on that side.
You're the guy, so you have to go on the left side.
Oh.
You know, marriage, left side. Okay. She's ridiculous. Anyway, we gotta pose.
Play, Mama.
I'm trying.
Steady. Push button.
CD1.
Push button 1. There we go.
Wait, it's not
Look at the dorks.
I gotta look. I didn't go. Here we go.
Where's the poser?
Wait, start it over. I'm getting no one more.
Keep going.
Start over, Nanny. Start it over.
Where we at? Here we go. Maybe we'll wait
You want to sit there now?
No, she's fine.
I told you you'd have a hard time doing that.
Oh my God.
We can't restart it again.
Look at this. I'm so tired of this house already.
I'm changing every 5 seconds. I'm down in figure.
Oh God, Mom.
What are they doing, Sarah?
Okay.
They crazy?
I just gave up on the whole good thing.
Shiny can't hold her arm up no longer, Mama. You're going to have to get this thing going.
I'm trying.
Now her leg's going to help her.
Oh, Lord.
I thought you said she was the man.
I am the man.
She is the man. She's looking at her
You're looking
nails.
like a man.
Well, I have to she was looking at her nails.
Jacket.
And I have the back.
There
goes. Get ready.
All right, here we go.
Don't make us restart it, please.
Okay. Diane, go. Don't do ridiculous. Look down.
Thank you. Changing her post.
I know. I can't think of anything. Jesus. Just think out of
Don't
Nanny.
use Jesus' name in vain.
I didn't.
Are you praying?
That was in vain.
Dear Lord, please make this not work.
Not the nanny.
No.
Just kidding. Just
Very much.
I gotta laugh.
Oh, what's wrong with it?
You're the guy. You
That's
don't do this.
exactly what I
Let me a gay guy.
said. Do.
So funny.
Don't do
That's
that.
cute.
Go jump on the room with the camera.
Kill her,
All right,
Mom.
Dad.
Kill her, Mom.
Kill who?
Mom.
I don't like this.
She's
I
trying.
do. I'm really a retard. Okay.
Patience is not your virtue, is it, Father?
No, it's
Start
not.
laughing.
Well, it's time we start working on that.
Please. Thank you.
Now you're very welcome.
She goes.
Okay, we got our pose.
Aww.
Oh, God.
Oh, good
Look,
Lord.
Sarah's going to do it.
Okay, now.
My leg's cramping.
You're like crazy. Turn that thing loud.
Nanny, her legs get awful heavy there.
Oh, it should be playing.
Oh, God.
Don't feel creeped out.
Are you ever going to turn it on? All right, here we go.
Hurry, Alex, hurry, come here.
Here they are, Sarah.
Turn up. Smile, cute bird. Turn up. He's gonna buy me.
Look at Sarah. Come on, baby.
Turn it up some more, Nanny. We'll get you in the video. Yeah, I am.
Best one they've ever done. This is actually good.
like that.
I can't. Can you show us ballet, baby?
No.